Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your BMW supports Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and that Waze is installed and updated. Plug the phone into the USB port marked with a phone icon, or enable wireless CarPlay/Android Auto in iDrive settings. Once connected, allow permissions on your phone for contacts, maps, and notifications so the display can show Waze. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. You're now ready to transfer control from your phone to the BMW screen and launch Once connected, select the CarPlay or Android Auto icon on the BMW iDrive home screen. This hands off app control to the car. Then tap Waze from the app grid. You may need to open Waze on your phone first and choose the car session. Make sure navigation audio is routed to car speakers by checking the audio source and volume levels in iDrive. If voice directions are quiet, increase media volume, and confirm app has microphone permissions, so alerts play correctly through the system. To finish, pin Waze to your BMW home screen or favorites so you can open it quickly next time. Run a short test route to confirm turn-by-turn directions. ETA and voice prompts are working as expected. If you don't see Waze or audio drops, restart your phone, unplug and replug the USB cable, or clear the Bluetooth pairing and repair in iDrive. These fixes usually resolve connection glitches. If problems persist, check for BMW system updates and retry the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.